So yesterday we spoke about what is a control, exactly what is a control, and how what is a GRC, and what's the IT auditor role in this. So today we will see some more in depth what an IT auditor will do. Then we'll go with the what is the syllabus that we're going to cover in this session. Then we'll close the session with the doubts Q&A. Okay. So first thing, do you ever listen this SOC? I think you listen this SOC in security operations center, right? It comes under cyber security. Okay, but we also deal with a SOC. This SOC will be, what is this SOC, guys? System or security organization controls. What is a control? Yesterday we spoke about this. Controls are nothing but rules or regulations which are being formulated by the top level management to all the departments, to all the depths departments, how they need to work to align with the objectives of the organization. So that's what the controls. So SOC controls. SOC is system organization controls or security organization controls. That means this SOC will say how is the how is the security posture of the organization. How is the security posture of the organization? Security posture of an organization will be determined by the security controls. By auditing these controls, by auditing these controls, we can able to know that IT auditor will able to know that what is the security efficiency of the organization. Why security? Why we are speaking about security? Why security is important? It's important. Park it aside. We'll come back to this. Okay. So basically, there are two types of SOCs. One is SOC 1 and another one is SOC 2. SOC 1 is all about financial controls. So let's see some of the financial controls to give you better understanding. One, all ledgers, all ledgers need to be audited every month. Second, all cash transactions need to be logged and monitored. So let's say these are the Is there any involvement of any other teams other than the financial team? Other than the financial team in these two controls?
No.
No. So in SOC 1, it completely, it whole and solely speaks about the financial controls of the organization. It only speaks about the financial controls, none of the others. Okay. This will be, this SOC 1 will be done by financial auditors, CA, CMA, like that, let's say. Okay. This will be done by financial auditors because it's a financial controls. Coming to the SOC 2, SOC 2 is nothing but other than financial controls. What is other than financial controls? Organization controls. That means how the, if at all, we need to create a secure environment inside the organization. There are some controls that need to be adhered by the organization itself. So organization controls is nothing but what organization, what org need to achieve, what is its objectives. Basing on those, we have some controls of the about organization controls and technological controls. That means IT controls and people controls. That means controls which are relating to the employees inside the organization. This will be called as people controls. In other words, we can call it as HR controls as well. And finally, physical controls. Physical controls are nothing but, let's say, organization is set up in Nanakram, Hyderabad, Madhapur. This is the physical presence of organization in Madhapur. Okay. So whether is this area is being secured or not, this will cover, this will cover 360 degrees of the organization, because we have organization controls which will deal about the functionalities of the organization, how the technology is being managed inside the organization will be dealt by technological controls, how the organization is managing the people, managing the employees inside the organization will be called as people controls, and how is the physical security of the organization will be dealt in physical controls. That means SOC 2 will deal about 360 degrees about the organization, but but we won't include, we won't we won't include financial controls. What we won't include? We won't include
Financial controls.
financial controls. Any doubts till now?
No.
I have that 12 members participants, but I have only one voice. If at all you are not interested, let's stop this session, guys. No issues. Let's stop this demo. Yesterday I clearly said communication skills are only the key factors for this. If nobody speaks, let's stop this demo. And those people who are interested, those can join and call with Mohan. So let's stop this demo here.
No doubt.
Hari,
No, sir, it's clear.
I need to call each and everybody's name or what? Just unmute yourself and say whether you have doubts or not. Shubhra,
Yeah, no doubts.
Raj, Raj, Raj,
I don't have any doubts.
Yashwant,
No, sir.
Yashwant,
No doubts. No
Amar,
doubts. No doubts.
Amar,
No, sir.
Shrivani,
No, sir. I just joined today, so I'm thinking.
Hari,
It's clear. No doubts.
Venu,
No doubts, Karthikeyan.
Mandeep.
It's clear, Karthikeya.
So let's say why this SOC 2 is important. Why this? No, I'm not saying that SOC 1 is not important. SOC 1 is also very, 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 very important. SOC 2 is also important as well. But as we are dealing with only SOC 2, only IT audit, we are not bothered about the financial audit. We are only bothered about IT audit. That's it. We are only bothered about IT audit. We are not bothered about financial audit. Okay. So here, why this is important? Why? Means, let's say Shrivani has financial stability. She is financially stable. Okay. She gone to one shop to buy a car. Okay. She loves Benz. Okay. Then she gone to Benz showroom. So, what do you think she will see in the selection of the car? So, financially she's stable. So, park this aside. This is not a issue. What's the main criteria of Shrivani to buy a car? What she'll see?
Luxury and comfort.
Some more.
Brand image.
Benz is already luxury and comfort, right? And Benz already we have brand image, right? What I'm saying, she already gone to Benz showroom. She fixed it to buy a Benz.
Mm.
In
How
that,
safe it is? How safe?
yes. What?
How safe it is?
Which version is giving 5-star safety? Like that. Let's say I'm a company called L&T. Okay. Or let's say LTA. I'm company called LTA Mindtree. Give your example. List me any company.
TCS.
Let's say TCS. Okay. TCS, inside TCS, they want to add one more team, one more application called AI. That means artificial intelligence. Okay. So there is no inbuilt AI applications inside TCS. So TCS decided to take this AI service from the other vendors. So TCS searched what are the vendors are best for artificial intelligence. One is OpenAI, and another one is, let's say, Microsoft. That means Microsoft Copilot, Gemini, and latest DeepSeek.
DeepSeek.
Okay. So now TCS have this bunch of vendors who are available. Okay. So now will ask TCS will ask these guys to provide to provide to provide their SOC 2 report. To provide their SOC 2 report. Their means these 5 vendors SOC 2 report. What SOC 2 will have? SOC 2 will have organizational controls, people controls, technological controls, and physical controls.
Physical control.
That means, in other words, we can say all CIA confidentiality, integrity, and availability controls. So, what SOC 2 report will actually have? SOC 2 report will actually have, there are 4 sections majorly. One is independent auditor opinion. Okay. Auditor opinion. That means on these controls, on these organization, people, technological and physical controls, based on their working, how the controls are being working, how effectively those are being followed by the organization, on that the auditor will give the opinion. How those are, whether it's good, bad, pathetic, or very worst, how the controls are, he will give the opinion in the first section in the SOC 2 report. Okay. Based on this opinion, TCS will decide. TCS will decide to whom we need to give this project, to whom we need to open the doors, to whom we need to give a chance to work with us. Got it?
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubts?
Clear.
So there are 3 more sections in this SOC 2. That's what we'll see in the class. So I'm saying, yesterday also I said CIA. SOC 2 will revolve around this, I said yesterday. C is nothing but confidentiality. I is integrity. A is availability. Okay. What are these? Confidentiality, integrity, and availability. What is confidentiality? So let's see this with an example. So this is a file called ABC. The file name is ABC. Okay. This is very sensitive information. This file contains very sensitive information. So how we need to how we secure this information, how we build this security layer, how much secure it is, what are the security measures that we took. keep this information as a sensitive data. That's what confidentiality. And what is integrity? Integrity is nothing but without any, let's say this file is open only for Shrivani and M. Kumar and let's say Raj. Okay. Raj. So, other than these three guys, nobody can have a chance to enter into this file and to make some changes. Only these guys can able to enter. That's it. That's the rule. That's the thumb rule of integrity. And what is availability? Okay. Availability is nothing but those who and all need to work on this data or work on this file. This information need to be available only for them. That's it. That's called confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Based on these three itself, whole SOC 2 will be revolved. Okay. And what is our work? Again, so I'll say you vaguely, listen clearly, it's a 3-step process. There will be RCM document. Okay, RCM is nothing but risk control metrics. There is a document called RCM. So in this RCM, we have all the controls of the organization. So we have n number of teams. In n number of teams, there will be common processes which are being running. Those processes are called change management, incident management, access management, vulnerability management, backup management, patch management, batch jobs, ITAC. So these are all the major processes or major controls what as an IT auditor we need to audit. So in this process, there are, let's say, for example, I'm saying there are 10 controls which are being present in this control matrix. There are 10 controls. Okay. So we will audit these 10 controls which are present in the RCM in across the teams. Let's say I'll brief with you an example. Let's say there is a DevOps team. In DevOps team, I need to do the change management audit. I will do this on basis of what? There are 10 controls in RCM. Okay, there are 10 controls in RCM. I will audit this 10 change management controls in DevOps team and I will submit my findings to my manager. If it's positive, the audit result is positive, fine. If at all it's negative, we will discuss about this. This is your job role. Exactly, this is the job role, what you need to do. So what is the RCM, what is the SOC 2 report and all the things, I'll show you the real time and inside the class. So any doubts you can ask.
Karthik?
Yes.
Yeah, you said you will do the 10 controls, right? The 10 controls will be the similar or different thing. We have to check it.
there will be 10 different controls in the same team. Let's say you are auditing, you are reviewing a movie. Each and every scene will be the same or the different.
Different, but I thought that any similarities will be between the controls. That's the reason I'm asking.
No, that means let's say there is a change management. Are you a fresher or you have some experience?
Yeah, I worked in a non-IT field.
In which field you worked?
Mapping,
Google mapping, right?
like Apple mapping.
Then let's say there are 10 controls. If at all I need to audit you,
Okay.
I need to audit Venu. I
Mhm.
need to give my daughter to you. And she said that, you know, she liked him, she liked you, and I came to you to audit you, to review you, to give my daughter to you, whether you are a settled person or not. So I have the checklist, right? Whether Venu is
Yeah.
having a good job or not. So
Yes.
according to me, the checklist is Venu is a good person from the heart or not. Is he cunning, or is he trying to grab the opportunity of my assets or what? So
Mm.
is he a drinker or a smoker? So
Okay.
is he going with proper attitude or not? Is there any criminal cases on Venu? So
Mhm.
how he is speaking with the elders? So this is a checklist of you. So like that, there is a checklist of that process. What the team need to do.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
We will audit in different aspects, but those are predefined. Just controls are present in RCM document. We will say take that RCM document. We'll go to the team and we'll conduct the audit and we'll close the audit. That's it. Just you need to manage this audit. That's what your job is. You need to manage the things.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. One more thing. You said the change management, risk management, right? Vulnerability management. There are
Yes.
more than 10 members, right? In everything, the controls will be different.
Obviously.
Okay, fine. Got it.
Any other doubts? So yes, then that's all for today. So if at all from today the free demos are over, if at all you're interested, just if at all you're interested and you have time of 25 days or to 30 days to learn this course, not to listen, to learn this course, reach out to Mohan and I'll see you in the class if at all you're interested. Okay, if not, so sit and think which course will suits you, find the best trainer in the market, go with him. Okay, subject suiting matters a lot. Okay, I'm also working as a manager in one of the big four, so I can able to say on the face that's my nature. So openly I'm saying, if at all you think I set the prerequisites only the communication skills. So if at all you think this course is for you and you have a time to listen to learn, join. If not, all the best for your career and the future endeavors. And don't stop. I want to say one thing: don't stop yourself by hesitating yourself. Can I able to do or not? No. So myself in my journey of this trainings, I saw many wonderful people who's not having even one day experience without any fraudulent, without any proxy and all. He got the job in one of the big four, and one of the not in one of the big four, in Fortune 500, one of the big companies. And another guy caught as a one of the DevOps. He gone into DevOps, and he caught over there as a fake, and they expelled him out. And he learned this course. Currently, he's in one of the MNCs. So like that. So learning is different. Listening is different. If you learn, you won't forget. If you listen, you can't remember. So yes, if it suits, if you think the subject is perfect for you, call to Mohan and let's see in the class. If not, all the best, and may success will come in your life very soon. Thank you. Finally, any doubts?
Karthik,
Yes, we know.
yeah, you said that there is both totally theoretical part only, right, in this.
No, who said?
Yeah, in you.
Could you please mark that? Could you please mark that voice whenever I said it's completely theoretical? Could you please give me the minutes
Like,
when I said?
means we don't have any tool, we don't have any coding.
That means it's not theory. That means it's not theory. It's process oriented.
Okay, process
If at all
oriented.
it's a tool, it's very easy to manage. So if at all it's a process, you need to get that whole process into your mind. So don't say
Yeah,
it's theory. It's process oriented.
yeah, okay. The my question is that this is a process oriented, right? We have to remember so many like risk management controls and everything. There will be a lot of things to remember. It. How we will get to remember everything in the without real time? That's my question.
Yesterday you attended my class, you know.
Yes, 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 Karthik.
Then what I said for the real time.
Yeah, you will show the real time,
Hmm.
but you will only will share some documents only, right? We will not share every document, but in the practice, how we can remember everything. That is
Remembering is up to you. I can't
okay.
able to sit you for the sessions and change management pro life cycle starts from change request or change necessary change approval like that. I can't able to I can't able to sit with you and make you modify those things, right? You need to mug it. You need to learn it. That's what learning and remembering is up to you. See, my doubt is for you, for all the guys, for anybody. If at all you can answer, you will answer, please. In Java, in Java, there are huge number of libraries, huge libraries, and it will take minimum 6 months to learn Java perfectly. And in Python, we have if loop, for loops, if statements, condition statements, and after that we have OOPS concept, object oriented programming language. Okay.
Yes.
After that we have Django frameworks. We have for the database we have MongoDB, and for this Matplotlib we have for data analytics, and NumPy and Pandas we will use. So for Python, these many. If at all you want to Power BI, definitely Python SQL is mandatory. So as you already fixed to keep 4 years of experience, why you shouldn't fix yourself to read? Why you shouldn't yourself to fix to remember? If at all you need an IT job, if at all you want an IT job, minimum, not minimum, maximum hard work is important.
Yeah.
And you're asking very deliberately how you can remember. Then why you need IT job? Venu, deliberately I'm
Not,
asking.
not Karthik. I'm saying that if anything practice is there, then we can remember it, right?
Hmm.
That's the reason I'm
Practice means
asking.
here you need to read a lot what I'm saying again and again, again and again, again and again. You
Okay,
need to
okay,
see the recordings again and again, and you need to mug it.
okay,
And there is not minimum documentation I share, maximum documentation I share. I share ISO 27001, all the documents what we implemented for one of the client. And
okay,
trust me, on the demo itself, I'm saying if at all you join, you only not go through all the documents. Those many documents I'll send.
okay,
Demo
okay,
itself, I'm saying you can't able to get time to see those documents. Those many I'll send. It's
okay,
completely upon you what you will do in the course. I said, whether you listen or learn.
okay, Karthik. Thank you.
So yes, that's all for today, guys. If at all any doubts or any consultations, reach out Mohan and he'll took me on conference call. Okay, take it easy.
Karthikeya, one more doubt I have. Like,
Okay.
uh, can you go through the syllabus which you will cover in this course? Like,
Yes,
what are the frameworks?
we have SOC 1, we have SOC 2, SOC 2 report explanation, and we will send all the audit charters. No, I'll say only about the syllabus. So explanation of SOC 1 and SOC 2. Sorry, explanation of SOC 2, change management, incident management, vulnerability management, access management, risk management, information technology application controls, backup management, patch management, and we'll go with ISO 27001 whole standard, 1 to 10 clauses, and 94 NXA controls based upon that, which is mapped to 2022 version. And we'll deal about all these things in the course.
Okay.
Yep.
And these controls will be applied in the all companies, right? Say, these
ISO
management.
ISO 27001 standard means wherever you are gone in any country in the world,
Okay.
in the world, if at all that company is ISO 27001 complaint, these
Okay.
controls only you will see over there. And coming to SOC 2, it's a compliance. It's a compliance. We can't able to change that. Java, anywhere you go on to Dubai, you learn Java. Is Java same in India and Dubai? Kumar,
Yes, yes.
Java
Same,
is same in India and Dubai.
yeah, same.
Java is same in India and US.
Sorry,
Kumar,
why?
Java is same in India and US.
Yeah, it will be same. The syntax will be same, right?
Everything will be same like this.
Okay.
We are saying the subject,
Mm-hmm.
not the chapters. We are saying the in-depth subject.
Okay, got it.
Anywhere you go,
So in the
life cycle will be the
from the
same.
from the interview perspective, they may ask like what are the controls so you know and how you audit like that.
Yes,
Or-
those things will be taught in the class.
Okay, okay, got it.
So yes, take care, guys. All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Finally, any doubts? Anybody?
No.